In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Order Bar. We'll start by opening the order bar, go to TradeStation Desktop, and on the top toolbar, click Trade. When you do, the order bar will appear, usually docked along the bottom or as a floating panel. If you don't see it, make sure the desktop window is active and that no other panel is covering it. At the far left is the symbol field. Type the ticker for a stock or the symbol for a futures contract, for example, AAPL for a stock, ES for the E-mini S&P. Pause a moment to let the platform validate the symbol and display its description, which helps catch typos. For futures, double-check you're on the correct contract month and exchange. Next, set your order details. Quantity is the number of shares or contracts. Choose a size that matches your strategy and buying power. Order type controls how the order executes. Market fills at the best available price. Limit fills at your price or better, so you must enter a limit price. Stop becomes a market order once your stop price is touched, useful for entries or exits at a trigger. Stop limit triggers at your stop and then attempts to fill at your specified limit. Enter both a stop and a limit price and be mindful that it may not fill in fast markets. If a price field is required, the platform will highlight it until you complete it. Set duration to define how long the order stays active. Day cancels at the end of the session. GTC, or good till canceled, remains until you cancel or it fills, subject to broker limits. Finally, pick the correct account from the dropdown. If you have both a live and a simulated account, confirm you're using the intended one before proceeding. Now choose the order action. Buy opens or adds to a long position. Sell reduces or closes a long position. Sell short opens a short position, which may require margin and shorting permissions. Buy to cover closes a short. The buttons typically change color to reflect the action you select. When everything looks right, click the Buy or Sell button to send the order. A confirmation window will pop up summarizing symbol, side, quantity, order type, price levels, duration, and account. Read it carefully. If anything is off, cancel and correct it. If it's correct, confirm to transmit. That's it. The order is sent to the market, and you'll receive status updates in the platform's order feedback panels.